If you want to edit a Trollface video in CapCut on PC, this video will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it from start to finish. Whether you are making a meme edit for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or just for fun, CapCut makes the process simple with ready-made templates that can do most of the work for you. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy editing guides, and let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you are on the main start screen. Once you are there, look over to the left sidebar and click on the Templates tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its ready-to-use edit styles, including meme formats and trending effects. Now go up to the search bar at the top and type Trollface or Trollface Edit. CapCut will load a list of templates that match your search. Take your time browsing through the results. You can click on any template to preview the animation, the transitions, and the music. This is really important because different templates give different vibes, and you want to choose one that matches the style of your meme. Some are more dramatic, some are faster, and some have stronger beat-synced effects. Once you find the one you like, click Use Template to open it. After the template opens, CapCut will show you clip slots. These are the places where your own videos or photos need to go. The number of slots depends on the template, so pay attention to how many clips it asks for. To add your footage, click the plus icon or the import button. Then choose the videos or images you want from your computer. If you already have the files ready, this part only takes a few seconds. Now drag and drop your selected clips into the matching slots. Try to keep your clips short, clear, and timed well with the meme's rhythm. Trollface edits usually look best when the clips are quick and punchy, so avoid using long, boring footage. If the template is built around music beats, make sure your clips land in a way that matches the timing. That little detail can make your edit feel much more polished and funny. Once your clips are in place, let CapCut automatically process the edit. It will fill in the transitions, effects, and audio syncing for you. This is one of the biggest benefits of using a template, because you do not have to manually build every transition yourself. After that, click Preview so you can watch the final result. Check if the clip timing looks right, if the music hits at the right moments, and if the overall meme effect feels smooth. If something feels off, you can go back and swap clips or choose a different template. But if everything looks good, you are ready for the final step. Click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose the resolution you want, such as 1080p for standard quality, or 4K if you want the highest possible output. Then select the folder on your computer where you want to save it and let CapCut finish exporting your Trollface video. And that is how you edit a Trollface video in CapCut on PC, using templates in just a few simple steps. It is fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for making funny meme content without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.